Hi friends, I hope all are you doing well. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, so first please get subscribed and press the bell icon so you will never miss any update for the upcoming video and tutorials. As in every video, I update the new topic, and I am again requesting you to please watch all my previous video. Because if you'll directly go for the latest topic, you will get confused. I always request you this, and then you come to the latest one. Okay. So in the last session, we learned about even and odd, how to find whether the entered number is even and odd. If you have not yet watched, please go and watch. So let's get started with the today's topic. So today's topic is we are going to learn about ORD and CHR function in Python. So very first I will open IDLE. Okay. So before starting with the direct program, I will first discuss what is ORD and what is CHR. Okay. So ORD is what? Basically, ORD is inbuilt function. Okay. Inbuilt function in Python. Inbuilt means it's already there, right? What is do? What is the function of that? What actually it do? It returns the Unicode from a given character. Okay. What is the syntax? Syntax is ORD and in bracket CH. Okay. Now what do we mean by Unicode? So basically Unicode is also called as universal character. Okay. It is also called as universal character. So universal character set. Okay. So now what happened is when you say ORD and in bracket, you actually pass one character in single quote or double quote, because that's a string, and string will not be passed without the double quote or single quote, right? So what it will do, it will return you the Unicode value, right, in a integer format. But what is that? Let's see. Okay, so how it works, let's say hashtag ORD. Okay, now let's say print ORD of capital A. Let's say capital A. Okay, I will say control F5. I will save it. I had made a folder on desktop, Python programs. I'll save it. I'll give the name ORD and CHR. Okay, now let's see. Okay, what is the Unicode for the A? That is 65. Okay, let's see what is for B. Okay, let's see what is the Unicode for B. So B Unicode ORD, I'll say like this. Okay, yes. So there is actually a universal character set. There is a chart which is also called as ASCII. Okay, but right now just try to understand, whenever you will give a ORD and you will pass one character, it will give you a Unicode. Okay, okay, why this is used, okay, when to use, everything I will teach you in upcoming videos. But right now understand what is ORD. It's an inbuilt function and it will return a Unicode from your given character. Okay, for example, let's say I want to print Python. Okay, so P Y. Okay, I'll just simply copy, paste, 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 paste. So P Y T H O and N. Okay, so what is the Unicode for PYTHON? At one time you can pass only one single character. You cannot do something like this. Okay, you cannot do it, will throw an error. Okay, you can pass only one single character in your ORD. I will run it now. See, so it is giving me 80, 89, 84, 72, 79, 78. Okay, you can also use this for the secret messaging purpose. We will learn that as well. Okay, now let's see what about CHR. How does a CHR work? Okay, now what is CHR? CHR is also a inbuilt function. It is also an inbuilt function. Okay, and then what does CHR do? It returns a character from an given integer. Okay, from an given integer. Okay, which represent the Unicode of that character. Okay, what is the syntax? What is the syntax of that? So syntax is basically CHR and in bracket one integer value you will pass, right? It's reverse actually, okay? ORD will return the integer and CHR will return the character. Okay, let's see how. Now CHR, okay? Now let's see if I run this code. So for P, it's 80, okay? For P, it's 80. So let's see, print CHR in bracket 80, okay? So now it will return what? It will return P. Can you see this P? Okay, now let's give all the, 1 second, I will run it again. And what is that? 89, 84, 72. Yes. So what I'll do, copy, I'll paste it, I'll paste it, I'll paste it, and I'll paste it, and I'll paste it. Okay. Now what is the task? If I will say it's 80, 89, 84, 89, 84, 72, 79, and 78. So 89. Okay. So what I have done is I have passed all the integer which is converted while I was using the ORD command for PYTHON. Let's see now it should print what? It should print Python. I will delete everything. I will say Control F5 to delete, to run my code. Now see, okay. So very first command, very first function is ORD, which converts your character into the Unicode form. And what is the CHR? It converts your Unicode, your integer to your character, which is P, Y, T, H, O, and N. Okay. So in this way, CHR and ORD is used. In future, we'll be also using this in our projects. I hope you understood how to use CHR and ORD. If any doubts, please comment me in the comment section. Bye-bye. Take care and stay connected with me.